Welcome, my dear student, to my Math Cure channel. According to demand, all English medium students, I also want to discuss and shortly to explain how can we place the real or natural numbers on the number line, rational numbers on the number line, and also irrational numbers on the number line. My dear student, we draw first a straight line on the place and mark the middle as 0. Then right side is plus and left side is minus. As 1, 2, 3, etc. are natural numbers, say positive or negative, positive or negative, or positive or negative. These numbers we also place on the number line easily as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly, in the negative side, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When we put plus 3, then we also, this is marked as 3. Similarly, when we mark negative 3 or minus 3, then we also mark this place. Similarly, when we mark the 5 positive and negative also 5. It is too easy to place the natural number on the number line. But when we place the natural number on the same number line, just like 2 plus minus 3, what is the result? My dear student, 2 means 1, 2. Then number line will go this. This is the position. And plus minus 3, plus minus a minus, according to mathematical calculation, 2 plus minus a minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now we also back from 2 to 3, 1, 2, 3, this place, and this is the place of minus 3 and this is plus 2. Now the result is this minus 1. Am I clear, my dear student? Every times on the same number line we also put the natural or real numbers like this. Now we also put the rational number, means P by Q type numbers. P by Q means whenever 2 by 3, 5 by 2, 7 by 5, etc. This will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Here we first put this on the number line. We also mark the number line as previous time. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and so on. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and so on. My dear student, 2 by 3, 2 upon 3 means 2 divided by 3 as 0.036 are 18. Remainder is 2. 0.6 is below 1, means 2/3 is less than 1. So we divide 0 to 1 in 3 equal parts, as denominator is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 2/3, 1, 2. This is the place of 2/3 of p by q types numbers as rational number. Similarly, in the negative side, we also divide it 3 equal parts, and 2/3 is this position will be in negative side. Then we also put the rational number 5/2. 5/2. As we 5 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder. Now 2 is the natural number or real number. So we also put it 1, 2, and between 2 and 3 we also divide this as by 2, 1, 2, because this is equal to 2 whole 1/2. Then 2 is the natural number, so 2 and 3 between we also divide it 1/2. Means 2 divide equal part, and it also put this place. This is 5/2. Am I clear, my student? Similarly, we also put the negative side. 5/2 is like this. This is the 5/2, and so on. My dear student, rational and natural number we also put on the number line. Very easy process and very easily. But when the question is asked, just like put 3 or 4 rational numbers between 2 and 3, or 5 and 9, etc. What can I do? We also first calculate these rational numbers between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, we put first the rational number divided by 2. Then 5/2 is the middle point of the first rational number between 2 and 3. This is the first rational number, 5/2. Then Then 5/2, between 2 and 5/2, we also calculate the second rational number. 2 2s are 4, 4, 5 plus 5, that means 9/2 by 2/1. 2/1 is equal to 9/2 into 1/2 is equal to 9/4. This will be 2 and 5/2 middle portion of 2 and 5/2. This will be the 9/4. 9/4. Similarly, we also calculate the third rational number between 2 and 3. 5/2 plus 3 whole upon 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6, 5 plus 6 by 2/2 is equal to 11/2 into 1/2, 11/4. This will be 5/2 and 3 between middle portion of 11/4. My dear student, deeply and sincerely you look, between 2 and 3 we also calculate 3 rational number, and we also put it on the number line easily. Then we also put the irrational numbers on the number line. How can I put the irrational numbers such as root 2 or root 3, root 5, root 7 and so on. First of all, we draw a straight line and mark the middle as 0. This is also positive, this side is also negative. Root 2 means 1 unit base and 1 unit height we take, and we also connect this as a hypotenuse. This is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. This will be root over 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2. Then we join it on the curve with the straight line. This is the root 2. Similarly, in the negative side, we also take 1 unit and height also 1 unit. We join it like this, and this will be root 2. Then minus root 2 on the number line will be like this. This position is minus root 2. Now we also take root 3. Root 2, 1 unit perpendicular from this, we also connect the hypotenuse like this. Root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to root 3. Now, my dear student, this will be the root 3. So, this curved line pointing on the right straight line is called root 3. This is the position. And similarly, we also take perpendicular 1 unit, connect it. This will be the negative side of root 3 as negative. My dear student, sincerely you see how can we also put these irrational numbers on the number line very easily. Thank you. This is today, and again I also come with you next video, and you must practice and see this video A to Z sincerely. You will progress. I also congratulate heartily that you must 100% progress. Thank you.